So hello and welcome to the channel, and today I want to try something I wanted to do for some time, and it's swapping the normal cluster from Ford Fiesta MK8 to an virtual cockpit, and we're gonna try it from PUMA. So I kind of think it's similar if not the same, so let's try out. So first of all, I did already remove the airbag. And we need to remove this plastic over here. I did remove the radio. If you have any problems with removing any of these, I will put the end screen how to remove the cluster and the navigation and everything. So let's start out. We need to remove this bad boy as well. So I'm gonna take this out. We have few screws over there. So one there, one over here. And when you remove this cover, you can access the cockpit. So I'm gonna remove it and then we try. So I took those two out, but there is one more here and one more here. So once you remove the plastic cover, two more screws that are holding it, and the cover is over here. As you can see, nothing overly too fancy. There is just clips holding it. But if you are removing, you should be careful when you're moving it out, and it's not that hard, but still you really don't wanna break anything, especially if you're putting it back. So this plastic maybe not that hard to find, but can be a little bit expensive. So those are the four screws, and then you just need to pull it out. I mean, you want to be gentle with all of that, maybe like this. So it's kind of hard with one hand to do anything, but maybe just put a screwdriver, because here you can see it's holding it a little bit over here. So this one, as you can see, so that's one, it's holding it over here, and on this side I don't think there is any. Yeah, this side is just like that. So pull out. First go from this up, down, and then once you remove this little bad boy over here, you should be able to pull it out one side or another, depends. So push out, and there is one plug over here that you want to take out. It's quite an easy one. And then what you want to do is go from here up over here and pull it out. So here you have the cluster. So, and now we're gonna swap in the virtual one. So here we have the virtual one. Let's try to plug it in and see. So I just need to screw it in like that. So here, nothing overly too fancy. Just click it in, and as far as I see, it does fit, like, yeah, just like that. So let's see. Not really sure if the car has enough power to start. I mean, I can try, but the battery is gone. I'm gonna make video on that one as well. So yeah, turn on. So as you can see, it does work. Braking off, lift gate, seat belt, blah blah. There is all kind of stuff, but it does fit perfectly in. So that's the base point that I wanted to try. If you can go from this to over here, I kind of like this a lot. So yeah, tell me in comments what you think about this one. If you have any kind of questions, I mean, you need to change all of this over here with forescan. I might need to find out, get the forescan in next few weeks, so we can play a little bit with that, as I want to show myself. I want to teach myself and show you guys as well, so what we can do with all of this. So basically that's that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and see you next one. So till next one, see ya.